Samsung mean logo. In Korea, Samsung mean 3 stars. Apple company iPhone means stand for Internet, Inform, Individual, and Inspire. Apple company main headquarters is in California, USA. Samsung main headquarters is in South Korea. Ronald Wayne, Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs is the founder of Apple company, while Lee Deng-chul is the founder of Samsung. Apple company is started in 1st April 1976, while Samsung company is started in 1st March 1938. Apple company most expensive phone is 12 Max Pro. Its price is 1,2900,000. While Samsung company most expensive phone is Samsung Galaxy Fold. Its price is 1,6500,000. Apple company first iPhone 2G was launched on January 9, 2007, while Samsung first phone was launched in 1998. Apple company net worth in 28 April 2021, $98.6 billion, while Samsung company net worth in 2021, $23.7 trillion. The display used in Apple company iPhone is provided by Samsung. If the top 100 digital ranking companies found, then Samsung is at third number and Apple is at fourth.